Bro, what the hell is that?
Jesus, what is that sound?
Close the door. Get inside.
Oh, I'm going inside. I'm done with this.
That's not normal. Oh my god.
Bro, that ain't thunder, man.
Oh my god.
Get in the car now.
Bro, that sounds wrong.
Nah, this is freaking me
Yo,
out.
look at the clouds. Look, Lord have.
It's happening again. I'm getting dozens of calls and saying